So friends, I have put my data in this table format. Okay, so let's calculate it. Correlation coefficient. Okay, let's calculate the correlation coefficient. See, where are you? Right here, correlation coefficient, right? So I want to increase this correlation coefficient. To simply equal sign, then type COR. ये आ गया correl. array 1 means this one, that is fertilizer input or x-axis, and wheat production, then comma, then wheat production and y-axis, then bracket close, then press enter. ये हो गया correlation coefficient, right? Now so ये हो गया correlation coefficient. Then if I want to calculate the r square value, correlation coefficient means r, and r we denote it by the letter r. So r square value, SUERE, r square value, will be like this. So formula is go to this data menu, and here is data analysis. Click this, right, and then find out the regression. Find out regression. Here is regression. Click OK. Input y range. Y range means the wheat production. Input x range means this one, fertilizer. Okay, labels on, and output range. So residuals on output range. Output range means select your cell. So I select this cell and press OK. So I guess summary output, right? So this is the r square. This is r square. R square is here. R square is here. Let's highlight it. R square 0.98, right? So these are the others. So for better visualization, we need to increase this one. So yeah, so residuals, right? Here is the residuals. So we got the r square value, right? Then we will calculate mean, median and mean, median and standard deviation, right? So let's calculate mean, median and standard deviation. Mean, median and standard deviation, SD. So mean, select this one,